In the standard scope of delivery with the machine, we get the mitre guide. It adjusts to 45 again, both directions, and has a capacity in front of the blade of 260 millimetres. The rip fence fastens both at the front and the rear by means of two eccentric clamps and a toggle which goes through the fence. This will give a ripping width of 890 millimetres. The cross-cutting fence is equipped with a flip stop. This one has micro adjustment to 1/10 of a millimetre. On the rip fence we also have a micro adjuster, again to 1/10 of a millimetre.